Welcome back to my channel. Midjourney has been updated to include a new random style capability for version 6. Along with this capability, Midjourney can generate and use an almost unlimited number of artistic styles in a very structured manner. A key advantage of the new random style parameter is the ability to discover and create new styles without creating complex style prompts. The random style feature is activated by your prompt followed by the style reference parameter with the word random as shown. The new style reference images created may be used with the sref parameter to influence the aesthetics of any new art you wish to create. I will also show you a second way to use your new random style generated images later in the video. Here is the prompt I used to generate random styles for the scene of a young woman with a cityscape in the background. I will run this prompt 4 times to generate 4 sets of 4 images. The first set of 4 results for our young woman has a distinct illustration or flat oil painting style. The second set of results is a cartoon style with blue, yellow, brown, and gold tones. The third set of results is a type of Gothic style with steel blue, yellow, and gold tones. And the final set of results for our young woman has a detailed illustration or realistic painting style with vivid and distinct colors appropriate to the scene. I'll select 2 of our young women's images to use as reference images. Here is the first selected reference image taken from the first group of 4 images, along with the prompt. Here are the 4 results using the original image as a style reference with a style weight of 700. The images have a little more depth than the original reference image, yet most of the colors and illustration characteristics are compatible with the style of the reference image. Here is the second selected reference image, and I'll use the same basic prompt. Here are the 4 results, using the second image as a style reference and again, using a style weight of 700. Since we're not using character reference, the faces are different, yet the colors and Gothic style come through very well. Our second set of style references is based on a prompt for a man singing on stage in a nightclub. This is the prompt that I will run 4 times to generate another 4 sets of 4 images. The first set of results for our singer is a realistic illustration style with red, pink, and blue tones. The second set of results is couched in cinematic style with warm yellow, brown, and gold tones. The third set of results has a realistic painting or photographic style with mostly red, black, or blue tones. And the final set of results has a definite photographic or realistic digital art style, again with warm colors and a bokeh style. I'll select 2 of our singer's images to use as references. Here is the first selected reference image taken from the second group of 4 images. And here's the prompt. Here are the 4 results using the original image as a style reference and a style weight of 700. In this case, the style reference did a superb job of replicating the original style of the scene and the style of clothing for the singer. Here's the second selected image of the singer, and I used the same basic prompt. Here are the 4 results, using a style weight of 700. Again, the style reference did a nice job of replicating the original style of the scene and the style of clothing for the singer. Another method to use a random style reference image is to generate a prompt structure for the new style with the describe command. I chose this prompt out of the 4 prompts generated from the describe command. And here is the new image resulting from that prompt. The aesthetics of this new image, which is based on the style of Dan Mumford, seem close to the reference image. I will now modify this prompt for different scene subjects, retaining a similar artistic style as shown. And here are the results similar to the original style. This new capability to easily generate new style reference images really enhances the style discovery process in Midjourney. Thanks for reviewing how to use Midjourney random styles with me. Consider liking this video so I can bring more AI tutorials and examples your way. Thanks for your support and interest. See you soon. Bye for now.